guys, welcome to Stories We Love. This is Sakshi and today we would be talking about denims. So guys, in this video I have put up a few looks in denims and they are all simple, casual and something you all can relate to. Since this is the first time we are talking, I wanted to keep it very simple and I wanted to use those pieces that are present in all of our wardrobes. So it's something very basic stylings, how to wear your denims in a very casual way. So I hope you all are able to relate to it and you all enjoy the video. So yeah, let's just get into it. So guys, for the first 5 looks, we have the tank top and the denims. The tank top and the denims are going to be the base and all the 5 looks are curated with them. So for the first look, I'm wearing this black tank top over my ripped denims and I've layered it using a shrug. A basic shrug and a tank top is something that is present in all of our wardrobes. I'm wearing white shoes that has details of the color of my shrug so that everything looks put together and complements. See how comfortable and easy this look looks? The second one is a semi-formal look. I'm wearing my blazer with my ripped denims. Also, I'm wearing this little neck piece and I've done some detailing over my hair. I've wrapped a strand of my hair around my rubber band so that it looks put together and shows that I've taken effort whereas I haven't. How cool this looks and how bossy. This one is for all of you who love Indo-Western clothing. The base is Western but the jacket looks traditional. The print on my jacket signifies traditional. The accessories, the silver jewelry that I'm wearing are also signifying traditional. You can always add on some little elements on your Western outfit to make it look Indo-Western. A bindi, again a traditional element. So see how this entire outfit looks so good? Also the mojeries guys. So the neck piece, the mojri, the jacket and the bindi are the traditional element and my base, that is my denims and my tank top, is a Western element. So see how pretty and so put together it looks. So guys, here's my go-to look. Whenever I don't feel like dressing up, I randomly pick up a shirt from my wardrobe and wrap it around my waist. See how cool it looks? Like without doing anything, my outfit looks so put together. I'm wearing silver shoes, you can wear any footwear, any sneakers. You can even replace the tank top with a plain white t-shirt or a black top. So see, it's looking so cool and if someone looks at me right now, they'll think like I've dressed up, but I haven't. I've just casually picked up stuff and worn it on my body. So everything has multiple ways of wearing. You need to identify which one you want. This one is a bohemian look. The embroidery on my jacket, the details on my tank top, everything looks so bohemian. Even the material jute that my jacket is made of is totally boho. Bohemian is all about wearing random pieces, yet they all complement very well together. Even the jewelry. It's random, but it goes very well together. Also, the hoodie. It looks so cool. I'm wearing juttis and loose pants because bohemian is all about wearing loose clothes and not fitted ones. So guys, we're just done with the first 5 looks. Wasn't it fun watching how you can wear the same tank top in 5 different ways by getting in a few changes through your accessories and layering? And now we would be seeing something else. Now we'll be using a sweatshirt, a scarf, a denim jacket and maybe a kurti. Now this one is a basic denim on denim look. I'm wearing a denim jacket, denim pants and a white t-shirt inside that complements my white shoes. It's up to you if you want your jacket and your pants to be of the same shade of denim or a different one like I have chosen. It's very basic but again it's simple yet it makes your outfit look elevated. This look is all about comfort. Whenever you wear something loose, prefer tying your hair up to make your look neater. Pull your sleeves a few inches above to give your sweatshirt, your jumper a little bit of shape. I love how this makes me feel cozy and comfortable. I can just hang around the entire day wearing it. Is it just me or you also like wearing some jhumkas and a kurti with some denims? Why not replace those typical leggings, salwar, palazzos with a nice pair of ribbed denims? It looks so cool. I'm wearing shoes, but you can also wear mojiris. And when you wear it, don't forget to play some nice Bollywood song and have some nice Bollywood dhumkas. You no longer need to find a matching bottom for your kurtas. You can just pair it up with any kurta. Denims go literally with every color and they look so cool. Like I wore ribbed ones, you can even wear a normal one. The one that I'm wearing and my kurta coincidentally complement each other, but you can also play around with a lot of colors. This one is just for the days when you have nothing to wear. Just grab a scarf, fold it into a triangle and wrap it around. It looks completely perfect. What I love is it defines your curves so beautifully. I haven't worn the regular pencil fit denims in this. Instead, I wore these slightly flared A-line pants. What I love is the flare complements the top and it looks so classy. The polo neck I'm wearing over here is for winters and is slightly longer than the usual one, but you can even wear a short one. This forms a perfect airport look and it looks so chic and so classy. You can just pick out any polo neck t-shirt and you can just style it, and trust me, it forms a perfect look for your airport. So that's it guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it was very simple, very casual, but that's how I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be something that you all can relate to, you all would give it a try, and I hope I was successful in doing that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye guys, see you all soon.